Hello friends, today I am going to share with you a very simple and super delicious recipe for Sindhi Gosht. And once you make this, you will probably forget all other Kadai Gosht recipes. It's super easy to prepare and the taste turns out absolutely amazing. You may have tried many different mutton recipes before, but this one tastes totally unique and incredibly flavorful. Once you will try it, you will want to make it once or twice every week because it's that good. Just look at how tender the mutton has become and how rich and spicy the gravy looks. Simply mouth-watering. So let's start making it. Here I have taken karai, a deep pan. You can use any vessel you like. And for now we won't turn on the stove yet. Now we will add the mutton into the pan. I am using bone-in mutton, but you can also use lamb if you prefer. Now we will add whole spices. 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, 15 to 20 black peppercorn, 4 green cardamoms and half tablespoon cumin seeds. Next I have taken 5 medium sized onions. Slice them thinly. Add them to the pan too. Take 1 large tomato, slice it as well. This helps the meat cook faster and become softer. Now I have finely chopped ginger, garlic and spicy green chilies. This makes the dish fresher and more flavorful. Add about 2 tablespoons of this chopped mixture to the meat. Next add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Then add 1 tablespoon meat masala powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and salt to taste. To make this dish soft and juicy, we will add about 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Add half tablespoon crushed red chili flakes. Now I have finely chopped fresh coriander and mint leaves. Add a handful of that too. Then add about 100 ml of oil. You can adjust the quantity as you prefer. Now mix everything really well. If you are enjoying the recipe so far, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. You can also adjust the spice level to your taste by increasing or reducing the amount of chopped masala and chili flakes. Once everything is well mixed, turn on the stove and keep the flame on medium high. Now saute the mutton with all the spices for about 4 to 5 minutes. This will remove the raw flavor and let the mutton release its oven juices. After sauteing for 4 to 5 minutes, add 1½ glass of water. Since we are cooking it in a karai, it will take around 25 to 30 minutes for the mutton to become tender. So we will add more water. If you are making it in a pressure cooker, just add half a glass of water and cook for 5 whistles. Mix well after adding water, then cover the pan and let the mutton cook on low flame until tender. After about 25 minutes of covered cooking, you will see that the water has completely reduced and the mutton is perfectly tender. Now add half a tablespoon lemon juice, 4 to 5 dried red chilies and 5 to 6 tablespoons of milk. This gives a mild creamy texture and enhances the flavor even more. Mix everything well again. Cover it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. After cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of roasted crushed cumin, half teaspoon homemade garam masala, 5 to 6 spicy green chilies, and a handful of finely chopped fresh coriander. And there you go, your Sindhi Gosht is ready, soft, spicy and bursting with flavor. Enjoy it with roti or steamed rice. It's absolutely delicious. So next time you crave mutton, remember this recipe. If you like it, let me know and we will make something new together next time. If you enjoyed the recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.